Hello YouTube, I Fix It All here, Team I Fix It All. What story? Quit. Accent lighting. So what we got here is a glass insulator and then a piece of copper, looks like something you'd find along a ground ring or something, that I've got attached back here. And I've got two conductors going up in there to an LED. And that's just a green telephone pole insulator. And the wires snake down. I've got the wires stapled. Really hard to see back here because it's nighttime. A bit lighter out here though. Excuse this. It's just some string from something. But I've got the LED wiring coming down through here and to this guy. Now that is just a $1.99 or whatever accent lighting, solar accent lighting thing that you shove in the ground and it lights up your sidewalk. You know, you see them, you can buy them. They take a little rechargeable battery. Well, I just stole the top part and discarded and trashed the rest. Not really trashed, but because I might need those parts for something one day. But I desoldered the LED that's inside this gizmo, extended the wiring up and under the insulator, and that is east. And every one of these accent lightings lights are getting recharged by solar. And I've got them going along the back deck here. All you need is those glass insulators. You might find them free somewhere. You might buy them. I just had a bunch of them. I collect things. It's a real cheap project. You can get it done in no time flat. I've got a faulty one here. I don't know what's going on there. I don't know if the charger is not. Gotta check this one out. Let me spin the battery here and see what happens. Swap in another battery tomorrow and see what happens. And there's the final one. So yeah, there you have it. I've had these installed as you just saw them for, I believe, going on, let me think about this for a minute. What story? What? Okay. I've had these installed, I believe, gosh, I think it was like 2006 and maybe 2007, but these have been out here for a very long time. And what I did do was I did not use the battery that came with it. I got a better battery with more runtime. But here's my point. These have suffered through heat and also cold temperatures. And those are the same batteries I bought years and years and years and years ago. I forget the breed of battery they are. nickel iron, something like that. It's not lithium ion. It's the predecessor to lithium ion. But they sell them at Lowe's. And but this is a really super easy project, and it also could make a great gift for someone if you happen across any of those glass insulators. So again, this is the top part of the thing you shove in the ground and plug them in the ground along your sidewalk or whatever walkway. But you open it, you take this part off, and there will be an LED on the back side of it. You just keep this part, and then you desolder the LED, then find you a couple of skinny conductors, and you staple it along to however you want. That's what I've got here, and that's the light they produce. Not too shabby. I like to position these up high because it seems to matter for the brightness. If they're low, the light looks a little dimmer. I think cats jump up and try to get on these. They see something dangling around and they try to get to them. Yeah, but I like these a lot. Again, and it's held on by a real thick copper wire that I just bent it around and then came up on the end of the wire. I hammered it flat and drilled a hole and then put a roofing nail in it. See if we can see that. Yeah. That's a little better. We've got company. Little raccoony here. Lots of little critters underneath there. Coming in for eat times. Anyway. Got a little bit of rain coming in. And there's the accent lighting view. Right there. I know it seems like a pointless video, but I like recycling things and repurposing things. Let's see if there's any critters over here that came in to eat. There are. Well, hi guys. Let's see if you can see them. You hear all that noise? All right, you guys take it easy. Let you go now. Bye.